Welcome to the final section. Here we will briefly review what we've learned and have a look at the future trends in AI security. This video is a wrap-up about everything you learned in this training. So the first question is why malefactors want to hack AI. The second one is what kind of objects we are dealing with. The third one is the application you're going to analyze. It may be face recognition or text sentiment analysis. The next question is what category of machine learning task is it? Is it a classification or clustering? Then attacks and defenses. After that, we talk about the metrics, how to measure the performance of the chosen solution. And finally, we discuss the algorithm. As you remember, we have already seen a real-life AI examples such as self-driving cars. One of the ways to attack them is to change the road sign in order to fool the system. Face recognition systems and its bypass, web platforms and content filtering bypass, smart house and voice assistant hacking. Different AI applications work with different types of data. Some attacks are object independent and can be applied to any data, such as FGSM attack. Others may be specific to particular types of objects. If a target AI application is based on face recognition, the attack on it can be connected with changing face properties and, for example, playing with hair color or glasses. Those attacks won't be applied to voice activity detection, for example, because they have completely different properties. For each object, there can be a different tasks. Take image classification and pose estimation as examples. Those two applications can use different machine learning models and activation functions. Certain attacks can be applied to them depending on the properties. Also, there are different categories of machine learning algorithms for various tasks, such as classification, clustering, regression, and others. Attacks on those categories of machine learning algorithms are dissimilar. We explored classification attack in practice. Also, there are different categories of machine learning algorithms for various tasks such as classification, clustering, regression, and others. Attacks on those categories of machine learning algorithms are dissimilar. In this lecture, we explored classification attacks. Other algorithms have its own specific attacks and defenses. Let's remember what exactly can malefactors do with AI-based systems. From one angle, attacks can be divided by confidentiality, availability, and integrity. From the other angle, attacks happen in different stages of creation of AI solution. We also have learned that there are different defense methods and they should have 360-degree approach and cover predictive, preventive, detective, and responsive measures, and there is no universal solution. And finally, we've learned how to measure attacks. Here are the 4 parameters: misclassification, how good this attack against examples; imperceptibility, how hard it is to recognize attack; robustness, how good this adversarial example against modification; and speed, how fast the computation is.